Okay, so now I will upgrade the delivery controller and the database from 2203 CU4 to 2402 CU1, I believe. It's the first release. I've already upgraded the licensing server. I've upgraded my storefronts, and now we will do this part. Everything in one go. So because director, studio, and the delivery controller, they are all together, and also the database. Okay, let's start. First thing, as usual, let's do a snapshot. Take a snapshot. We don't want the RAM before. Okay, create DDC1 and DDC2. Great. Okay, let's also back up the database. So let's go quickly through. So this is the environment. It's 2203 CU4. It's also visible here in the program and features. And I also checked the database version. Let me take this because this is important for me. I want to see to which database version it will switch. Okay, I'll just call it DB. Okay, save. Okay, so we created the snapshot, and I wanted to also back up the SQL. So I'm on the SQL server, and I want to back up the database. Backup. Database to disk full. Okay. Okay, completed successfully. Okay. Now the monitoring database. Backup. Full backup. Okay. Okay. Okay, and the site database. This is the bigger one. This should take a little bit more, but let's see. Backup. Full database. Okay. Okay, so this is done. Let's go back to our DDC. We need a new ISO mounted. Close the console and everything. I need to mount that through vCenter. Where is my disk? This one. Media, okay. I need to browse for it on the data store. This data store. And I should have an ISO, and it's called CVAD. Okay. And let's mount it on the second one too. If we are here, edit settings, data store and browse this one and ISO CU4. Okay, 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 okay. So we mounted the new disk on both servers. Let's go on the first one. And as usual, run the auto select as an administrator. They changed the colors. Okay, what do we want to do? Student server components. This is new, looks new. So we want to upgrade. We will go with this option. But what do we have here? Citrix storefronts. No, so they just changed the display, the displayed features, but they are the same. So they just look different, but it's different, but it's the same. I know a movie that it's new, but it's different, but it's the same. Okay, let's see how this behaves. So I have a session started. I have an MCS catalog. Um, the virtual agent we will install later because this is how Citrix wants it. Nevertheless, you can do the VDAs also before, or maybe not, because this is a brand new version, and this time I believe you should follow the upgrade process from Citrix. It's safer this way. Okay, let's go back to our DDC. Yes, we've read everything. Next. Yes, we've done all the backups. How much? Well, I understand I don't have so much. I will not. Okay, let's do the preliminary test. I hope it will not take a million years. Come on, come on. Just a few tests more. Okay, so we are still here. After a few minutes, it's still trying to complete one more test. I just want to show you also that that final test gives the SQL Server a little bit of work to do. I don't know what exactly it's doing, but it's using um, the CPU of the SQL Server. I mean, this is my lab. I only have, what do I have here? One CPU. two CPUs in a productive environment, maybe the SQL Server will not fill this test, but nevertheless, um, keep in mind that the last test is pushing the SQL Server a little bit, and this is why it's taking longer. And I'm still waiting. Okay. Okay, so the test finished. And also, if we go back to the SQL Server, as I said, it went back to normal. So the last test pushes a little bit the SQL Server. Okay, let's go with next. As always, we leave automatic, and it wants to install ISS URL rewrite. Okay, this is new. Okay, let's go with upgrade. Yes, yes. So it seems that we have a new runtime and an IIS URL rewrite. Okay. Meanwhile, when this finishes, let's take a look at the first DDC in the event viewer. In the second DDC, I apologize, the second DDC. This one should have panicked and should be now the chosen DDC. Let me also start the console. Let's look at ensure this is from today, but in the morning availability service okay, has become elected. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you. Because DDC1 is down, DDC2 is now the elected DDC. The machine needs to be restarted. Okay, close. And as I said, I want also to open the console to see how it's behaving. Okay, how is the reboot going? Oh, rebooted. Okay, perfect. Let's try to reconnect. Always reconnect with the same user that you started the upgrade process. So that the upgrade process can continue. So our session is still up and running, so okay, it only installed, oh, only the first one, come on. I see here 5 reboots, doesn't matter. Okay, let's see here. The best way to see that the other is down is to open a director. Okay, let's go back. This is still installing. Okay, perfect. Probably it will want another reboot now, or no? No. Okay. Yeah, let's go back on the second DDC. I just want to check how it's looking. Yeah, I got it. Okay, so DDC1 is down. It's offline. Okay, perfect. Let's go back. This is upgrading. Okay, I will pause the video. It seems that it will take some time. Okay, so we are almost ready or done. It's initializing the component, so it upgraded it with no errors. Come on, initialize. Okay, it initialized finally. We do not want to collect. We go next. And we go with finish because as of this moment, the components themselves have been upgraded, but not the database. So we click finish and let's see how this behaves. So we've upgraded the DDC, but the database is not upgraded. Let's see if we can still launch a session just for the fun. Sign out. So we have one DDC upgraded out of 2 and the database is not upgraded. But from my knowledge, it should still work. Okay, let's user 01. Okay, we see the resources. This is good. Let's launch a desktop. Okay, everything is fine. Everything is fine. So let's continue on DDC1. Now Site Manager. This is new. Okay, 1 second. Okay, so I just went back to see that we need to launch the Citrix Site Manager. So I recommend you to, if you want to upgrade the database, your user that you logged in to this machine and which you use to start the site manager, you should have system admin rights on the SQL database, because we will now upgrade the database. I never done it with this site manager, but it should be the same. Yeah, it's the same. So we will go with automatic site upgrade. In this video, I will create a video with the manual upgrade too, but for this one, let's go with, yes, I'm ready. Site manager, okay, so it's no longer studio. Okay, this is valuable information. Let's see how it goes. Okay, I see progress. Okay, everything was successful. That's nice. Now we should also see our environment. Okay, and now we can also see the versions. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. It knows that the other one, it's an older version. But does it let me access? Or was this just used for the upgrade? Why can't I see anything else? Okay, maybe this is just for the upgrade. Let's close and start Studio then. And while this starts, let me see the database. Get broker installed, double version, broker installed, double version. Okay, we have a new version. Okay, so the database has been upgraded. It seems that that site manager is only there upgrade the database. Okay, let's see that warning. We should have a warning, upgrade remaining delivery controllers. Okay. Let's go to the second delivery controller and upgrade that too. The same process. We have the DVD mounted. Run as administrator, yes. The same process but without the database upgrade because that already is installed. Okay. Citrix director. Studio upgrade. I'm switching back and forth because I want to check the already installed version more. We just have to repeat the steps here, so nothing special. And it just takes some time. Oh, this is what I wanted to see. It now looks like you are in the cloud. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, so it seems Citrix has implemented this in LTSR version. It's still buggy, doesn't look okay. Let's go 90%. Okay, looks nice. Let's go back. Accept the licensing. Yes, next. Yes, I'm ready. Next. And upgrade. Okay, it will install the components, but let's go back to the nice director. So dashboard, failed single trends, filters. So the director looks like the one in the cloud, but honestly, I would have liked to see Studio also to have this to look also like in the cloud. But it seems that Studio is still the old. I mean, it has the same graphical interface like before, only director changed. Okay, let's go back to second one. Did it install? Yes. And where is the reboot? It should try to reboot. Maybe it's thinking. Okay, everything is where it should be. Also the machine catalog, I hope. Okay, it's just slow. No problem. Okay, here the reboot. Yes. Okay. So let's go back also to the Citrix site manager. But this, because this is new to me, I didn't know that this will show up. DDC2, it's rebooting, okay. But you don't have any option here, just add a delivery controller. Okay. Did they take out of the site overview? No, the site overview is still here. Okay. Okay, let's wait for the install to finish, to upgrade to finish, and I believe we are done for this video. Okay, so it seems that we are almost done. It's on the initializing phase, and I also took a look at the first DDC on the Citrix Site Manager, and it already sees that our second DDC has been upgraded. So it's still initializing, but I'm confident that this will go all the way. From my point of view, this was it. So thank you for watching. I will just wait for this to finish, and probably I will restart both DDCs. But since the first one is up and the database was upgraded, I don't see no reason for the second one to have any issues. Okay, thank you for watching.